In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious salad with potatoes and calamari using your steam oven. Now, very often calamari is sold frozen, although you can occasionally find it in the store that's ready to go. But if you do have calamari that's frozen, the best place to defrost it is your steam oven. Why? Because when you defrost food in a steam oven, it doesn't cook the food, only dissolves the ice crystals. So in this recipe, I'm going to begin by giving the calamari a quick defrost, and then I'm going to put the calamari aside and create a marinade for it. It needs to marinate for about 30 minutes. And while it's marinating, I'm going to steam the potatoes using the steam mode in the steam oven. I like a really zesty flavor with this salad, so for the marinade, I'm using finely chopped garlic with lemon zest and chopped parsley. I'm adding in some dried chili flakes for a bit of zip, and also we're going to add some capers. Fruity olive oil and a little bit more lemon juice, and that's your marinade. So let's get this marinade together and let the calamari sit for about 30 minutes, and then we'll be ready to do the final cooking. When the potatoes are ready to come out, you let them cool a little bit, but it's really nice to dress them while they're still a little bit warm because they absorb a lot of flavor at that point. Final step is to heat the broil element in either your convection or in your steam oven, or you can go and heat up your outdoor grill if you want a really nice strong char on the calamari. And your marinated calamari will be cooked for 3 to 4 minutes. I used 475 in the broil mode, although I cranked it up to 500 just at the end to get a bit of a char. And I had the tray for broiling quite high up in the oven, which meant I didn't turn my back on it. I kept an eye on it the whole time. So it was very quick to prepare. All I had to do when the calamari had done their final cooking step was to slice them, add them with all the juices that I marinated them in to the potatoes. My mouth's watering, I hope yours is too. And it's a great way to make good use of your steam oven. So, potato calamari salad. Enjoy. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.